In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Forms with Activecampaign through Zapier. To get started, open your Zapier dashboard. This is where you will build the automation, often called a Zap. On the page, click Create Zap. After you click it, Zapier will guide you into choosing what should trigger the automation and what action should happen next. Take a moment here to make sure you are on the Zap Builder screen, because all of the next settings depend on being in the right place. Next, you will choose the Trigger app. In the Trigger section, select Google Forms as your trigger app. Then set the event to New Form Response. This matters because you are telling Zapier to watch for new submissions coming in from your Google form. Whenever a new response is submitted, Zapier will start the automation sequence. Now you will select your specific form. Choose your form from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple forms connected to Zapier, this drop-down is how you pick the one you want to use. After that, click Test the Trigger. This step pulls in a sample submission, which helps Zapier understand the data structure, like the names of the fields and the values that come through when someone submits the form. Once the trigger is tested successfully, it is time to set up what happens in Activecampaign. In the Action section, select Activecampaign as your action app, then choose the event Create or Update Contact. This is important because it lets you add a new contact to your account or update an existing one when the person submits your form. That way, your contact list stays accurate without creating duplicates. With Activecampaign selected, you will need to connect your account. Click Connect your Activecampaign account when Zapier prompts you. Follow the on-screen authorization flow so Zapier can access your Activecampaign workspace. You only need to do this once per Zap, and it will allow Zapier to create or update contacts using your selected list. After the connection is complete, you will choose your Activecampaign list. Select your list from the drop-down menu. This ensures that the contacts created or updated by this Zap are added to the correct place within Activecampaign. Then you will map fields from your Google form to the fields in Activecampaign. Next, map the email and name fields from your Google form data. In Zapier, you will see mapping options that correspond to the fields found in the test submission you pulled earlier. For email, select the matching email value from the Google form data. For name, select the matching name value from the Google form data. This mapping is a key step because it tells Activecampaign which incoming answers should populate the contact record. Once your fields are mapped, you are ready to verify the result. Test the step to see if Zapier can successfully send the data to Activecampaign and create or update the contact as expected. When you run the test, pay attention to whether Zapier reports success or shows an error. If there is an issue, it is usually related to the mapping fields or an event mismatch, so the test is the fastest way to confirm everything is wired correctly. After you confirm the test works properly, you are ready to turn the Zap on. Click Publish. Publishing activates the automation. So from that point forward, every time someone submits your Google form, Zapier will send the contact details to Activecampaign using the Create or Update Contact action you selected. That is the full flow. Create the Zap, set Google Forms as the trigger, connect Activecampaign as the action, map your email and name fields, test the step, and publish. That covers everything you need to know.